Down by the river, far ahead of me, there is a better world. I will reach it someday. There is no desert and no ocean to cross, just a green meadow in the hot summer sun. Down by the river is where the sky has created bird songs. Somewhere between clouds and wind, heaven can wait a little longer, but the time will come when I hear the sound of your voice. The time will come when I hear the sound of your voice.